Hey guys, welcome back to Wrenchology. Today I'm telling you about my brand new intelligent battery charger that I got from Wagan Technologies. Before I get into any of this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you want to help support Wrenchology, as well as all of the details will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. With winter getting a lot closer, as well as now I have multiple projects around the house that have batteries and that kind of need a little bit of a maintenance, if you will, I decided it was time to invest in a decent charger. I really liked this one because Wagan is also a pretty well-known, really good brand. This charger is suitable for like AGM batteries, web batteries, and as well as power sport batteries, so I can also hook up my motorcycle. It does come with a nice little lead that you can actually hook onto a fused lead, let me clarify, that you can put on your power sport or motorcycle or whatever you want to do. Leave it there long term, that way you have easy hookups or somewhere that the battery isn't easily accessible. It is a little compact thing. I do like that because I don't want something that's bulky and gonna take up a whole bunch of space in my garage. As you can tell, I don't have all of the room, and since it is smaller, I'm more apt to take it on my adventures with me if I'm scared that my battery might die. It will charge in freezing temperatures as low as 34 degrees Fahrenheit and as hot as 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can use it in extreme conditions. It does internally have a short circuit protection and reverse connection protection, so that way no matter what you should be safe while using it, which is great for someone like me who doesn't even really like messing with battery chargers and batteries in general. As for the technology behind the amazingness, it's got a 9-stage charging process. First being, it's going to evaluate the health and condition of your battery. It's going to determine if you need a recovery process, if it's been deeply discharged. It will then apply a soft start charging action, which is just like adding a little bit of current that will ramp up over time. It has a pulsing action to help knock off the sulfation on the battery plates internally, if there is any, that way to help optimize full charging capacity and optimal battery health. It will then go through a reconditioning cycle to help prepare it for the bulk charging, which then will be applied and does the main bulk of the charging at a high amperage rate. Once the battery has reached about 80%, it will enter an absorption charge, or a cool down phase, if you will, which just slows down the current to the battery and it stops the high amperage. After it's done cooling off, it's going to go through an evaluation stage to make sure it is like tip-top shape, ready to go, doesn't need to restart any of the cycles. And then the final cycle, which is the main reason I bought it as well, is the maintenance charging, so that way it'll be up to 95% at this point, so it maintains that to 100%, and monitoring the battery health. If any discharges, it will add a very small bit of current to maintain that 100% battery life, which, like I said, besides just hooking it up, it doesn't really get much more simpler than that, and the technology is just great behind it, so I'm very happy with my purchase, and I wanted to let you all know about that. So thank you for watching. All of the details will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I really appreciate you watching, guys. Till next time.